Okay, today we are going to add an Aqara Hub to our setup. Okay, why a hub? Well, a hub is, let's say I have a lot of things on my Wi-Fi, it'll slow my Wi-Fi down. Okay, with a hub, everything connects to the hub, and then the Wi-Fi connects to the hub. Okay, so I'm connecting to the hub, which is connected to many other things. It's kind of like a bridge. Okay, we'll call it that because that's what it is. So instead of having 100 IP addresses all taking it up on your network, a hub takes the heat off of it and allows you to have things hooked up to the hub. You chose Aqara because it also has these F1s, and these are presence sensors that allow the being able to sense if somebody's in a room. Okay, so when you first get this thing, you're going to plug it in and it's going to start blinking like this. It will tell you when it's ready. Do not circumvent the system. The reason I got it up to this far because I had to do a reset on this thing, and I did a reset just to kind of show you how to put it back onto a network. I just ported over from a Raspberry Pi over to an odroid, and I had to do the reset. If you have to do the reset, by the way, it's clicking that button 10 times, waiting like forever until it says reset complete. But it hasn't told me yet to open the Aqara app, so we are waiting for that right now.
Please open the Aqara Home app.
Okay, so here in the app, hit plus. Make sure if you're using the F1 that you are in the app, but you are in mainland China. Okay, there's a way to, I think in your profile, state where you're in. So you have to do that ahead of time when you first do it. So, whoops. See where it says mainland China? Okay. So if you plan on doing any of the cool stuff with your Home Assistant, make sure you're in mainland China. Okay, let's go back to accessories. Let's add an accessory. This is the Hub M1S. It is blinking. If it doesn't look for it or find it within a few seconds, it might be like the fact that the Wi-Fi sucks. And make sure you are hooked up to a proper 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi when you're looking for it. There it is. Okay. Make sure you get your username and password. Make sure you hit connect. Do not go out and do anything special.
Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait.
Now, if you've been battling your Aqara Hub for like 4 freaking hours, just hit the subscribe button right there. I saved you. Saved you, gamer. Yeah.
The account is bound successfully, and you can start to use it.
Yay. So personally, I would not do anything here. Okay, so now the fun. So the hub is technically there. You can see it. Okay. And if you click on it, it's going to say off. If you click this button just once, it'll be okay. Don't spam it though. It gets frustrated and gets super fussy. Now, I would take this magical device, let it set for a few minutes, before you go plugging it into a central location of your house near the Wi-Fi, and then near the center of your house. Okay? But give it a few. Also, we are going to be hooking up to Home Assistant before we do that. So, I'm going to do that in the next step. Alright, so the real reason you're here is the fact that you couldn't probably get this into Home Assistant. So we're going to now do that too. So let's hop on over there. And you can see I have an Aqara Hub show up in my Home Assistant. This is under Setting, Integration. And it looks like I got 3 of them. 3 of them. Okay. I've also copied down this little code that's on here. It's 8 digits long. And I am in praying mode right now, because I don't like how there's 3 of them. I'm going to hit configure, see what happens. Nope. So I'm going to just do a refresh of the page, and I'm going to do a restart on the Home Assistant. Okay, all 3 of them there. I'm just going to do a restart. Settings, System, Restart. Okay, Home Assistant started back up. Let's go into Settings, Integrations, and notice I have 1 of them this time. That's good. So what happens there is, let's say I had 3 retries on here just to get it to restart. All 3 of them will be here as timeouts. That's why there was 3 of them. Okay, so now I can configure it. Okay, so let's see what happens here. 1554. I'm going to try 2482 with no space. It's no space, even though it says space and dash. Okay, area. Nice. Nice. Okay. And as a bonus footage, so that's in there now. See, it has a Aqara app. It has 4 entities attached to it. Okay, it has a light bulb, the identify, the pairing mode, and the security system. Okay, so bonus for hitting the subscribe button would be adding the little F1 on there. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so to add this, we're going to go back into dock mode. Go back once. And there's a little button on the back. So we're going to click it. You see that little blue light? See how it's blinking? Okay. Let's hit add. This is an F1. Oh, FP1, sorry.
Normal link confirmed.
Okay. And that should be it. So let's see if it showed up. No. Okay, so let's do that again. This time I'm going to click it and it's going to flash faster. So longer time. There we go. Oh. There we go. Try that. It's super fussy.
Please add accessory.
Okay.
Accessory added successfully.
There we go. You even knew it. Nice. So it remembered where it was after I tore it out of its little area. Human body sensor. Nice. Got a little human. Done. Alright, there we go. So now to check that in Home Assistant, we head on over. And there it is, occupancy sensor. And just to kind of check to see how it works, just go into settings, go to integrations, go into the Aqara Hub, you go to devices, and here's the occupancy sensor, bam, and see how it says detected. So it's detecting me. That's good. So that's how you add accessories. And you can add bulbs, you can add everything else. But if you're porting over like I did from a Raspberry Pi over to an odroid, you might have had some problems, and that's how you do a restart on it, just in case. Trust me when I say that was like my 50th restart, and I finally got it down pat. So enjoy.